Wheat had a big start to the week, and that spilled over into corn and soybeans. Ag Day's Michelle Rook has more on that in Markets Now.
Grains resumed their rally on Monday. Mike Zuzulo is back with us. And Mike, wheat continues to kind of be the price leader here. How bad are these global production concerns, and will they keep pushing the wheat market higher?
I think they can at this point, Michelle. I mean, a lot depends upon the crop conditions for wheat and the crop planting numbers for corn and soybeans, especially heading into the 3-day weekend and the issue of the momentum indicators that the funds like to use typically. But my sense is that the trade was thinking late last week here in Chicago and in Kansas City wheat markets that we were done with the rally because the hard red wheat tour was so much better than the trade was expecting. But I think we also handed the mantle and the kind of passed the baton from the hard red back over to the soft red because of Europe. And I think they're still very nervous about Russia and Ukraine's damage from the freeze frost. I'm hearing numbers of 20 to 30% yield losses in some of those black earth areas, provinces of Russia and northern Ukraine. And I think that's something that the Paris market really picked up on. And I think it's really crucial at this stage that we watch Paris futures because they traded Monday into the 750, 760 at bushel territory. And then we had on top of that a very strong Russian ruble against a US dollar. So I think we had several things clicking, mostly surrounded around the European and Black Sea market.
So wheat showing leadership, pulling corn and soybeans along, but are corn and soybeans trading their own weather story? Are they trying to put weather premium in?
I don't think they're trading U.S. weather right now. I think we're on the cusp of that. There's a lot of chatter about corn prevent plant in some key states like Kentucky, Tennessee, even maybe upwards of northern parts of Michigan. Beans, I think they're trading weather, but I'm thinking they're probably trading southern Brazil weather, the infrastructure damage, the price of Paranagua beans at the port jumping to the point where we're essentially even in par with them at the Gulf of Mexico. I think the soybeans have really picked up on that here as we start the week out.
Okay, well, hopefully we can keep that rally going. Thanks so much, Mike Zuzulo, Global Commodity Analytics, and we'll have more Ag Day coming up. Watch Markets Now with Michelle Rook on the Farm Journal YouTube channel, keeping you updated throughout the day on the markets at the open, midday, and close. Find out what moved the markets today and what to expect the market to do next.